Megan's Healthy Creations. Today we are going to be making coconut pistachio cookies. Let's get to it. Okay, the ingredients that we'll be needing today are 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'll be using Trader Joe's organic sugar, like always. 1/2 cup vegan cream cheese at room temperature. 1/2 cup vegan butter at room temperature. 2 cups all-purpose flour. I'll be using gluten-free flour, like always, Bob's Red Mill. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/3 cup chopped pistachios. I'll be using organic pistachios that are not salted or peppered or any kind of seasoning. And 1/3 cup flaked coconut. I'll be using organic flaked coconut. Okay, let's get to the first step. Okay, the first thing that you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, once you have preheated your oven, the next thing you're going to want to do is line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper. I'll get back to you when that's done. Okay, I've lined my cookie sheet or sheets with parchment paper. Okay, then next thing you're going to want to do is, in a food processor, combine the sugar, cream cheese, and vegan butter. You're going to want to process that until smooth and well blended. Let's get to that. Okay, once you have your cream cheese, sugar, and vegan butter all combined, the next thing they're going to want to do is, in your food processor, add your either gluten-free or regular flour and your baking powder, and just process that until it's all combined. Okay, see when that's done. Okay, once you've mixed in your flour and baking powder in your food processor, you're next going to transfer it into a big bowl and add your coconut flakes and your chopped pistachios. Then you're going to mix that in. Okay, once you mixed in your coconut flakes and your pistachio, the next thing you're going to want to do is, on a flat work surface, you're going to want to transfer your dough onto some plastic wrap or some saran wrap, and just put it on there. Dough all transferred onto my plastic wrap, and my mom is going to come and put on the second piece of plastic wrap over the dough that is on the plastic wrap. Okay, once you have your dough in between your 2 plastic wraps and kind of like a little bit like patted out, because it moves very easily. It's not like regular dough, it's more gentle almost.
So you're going to lightly, very, very lightly, kind of just make sure that you just go in one way.
Make sure that it's 1/2 inch, and so I'll be back. Okay, once you have your dough all rolled out to 1/2 inch, you're going to want to have a cookie cutter, pastry cutter, or just a small drinking glass to like cut it out, and put it on your baking pan, and I'll see when that's done. Thank you. Okay, so if your dough is a little too soft to cut, you can put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to let it harden up a little bit, or in the freezer for about 5 minutes. But make sure it really does not get too hard if you put it in the freezer. Okay, be back. Okay, I just cut out my cookie dough, and we are going to put it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until golden brown, and then make sure to put it on a cooling rack and cool completely before stuffing them in your face. Make sure to use oven mitts. Okay, so I just got them out of the oven and they smell splendid. Now I'm going to carefully, very, very, very carefully put them on a cooling rack, which is basically just one of these like things so that it can get air and stuff. Okay. Okay, I'll get back to you when they're all cooled. Okay, my cookies are all chilled and ready to taste. Let's see.
Cool.
They're crispy on the outside, but they're like good on the inside. I don't know. I think they're missing something. Like they're a little dry. I think you could add that. I think you could dip them into some like chocolate milk or like some milk or something, and then they would be really, really good. But so yeah, that's how you make. I forgot what I was making. That's how you make coconut pistachio cookies. Thank you. Please subscribe and like and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a brand new video. Thank you. Bye.
A tisket, a tasket, a brown and yellow basket. I send a letter to my mommy on